Good day, Sir Balos. So we are here to present our application named Occurrent, which is a convenient app for booking event equipment. Whether you are organizing a small gathering or a large celebration, Occurrent allows you to reserve everything you need with just a few taps. From seating and audiovisual equipment to decor and more, you can easily choose your event date and secure the items you require. With straightforward booking, clear options, and instant reservation, Occurrent make event planning smooth and efficient. So let's get started. So here is our application. So if we open our application, which is the Occurrent, so mga tuta sa among landing page, which is the Occurrent, book equipment for your event, seating, AV, decor, and more. If we click the get started, mga tuta dayon sa among login page. So if nakapag sign up na ka, if you already have account, pwede kang mag-login na diretso. If wala pa, pwede kang mag-sign up. So, mag-choose ka if mag-sign up ka ba as client or owners. So, actually, pwede lang ka mag-choose po if mag-login ka as owner and client. Pero, pwede po na if makalimtan ni mo, kapag nag-sign up ka and you already choose the owner or client mo, diretso man siya. So, mag-login sang ko as owner. Mali ang Gmail, sorry. So, as you can see here is our dashboard, which is the admin page. So, as you can see, we have here the booking. Ganyan, yung booking list. Pwede po siya maano siya, kung this week lang ba siya nagpa-book. And naapod siya like uncompleted, may click, canceled, pending, pero wala man. So, wala may pending. So, all, na siya filter. So, sa customer, makita din ang customer kung pila ang nag-login as owner and pila po na nag-login as customer. So, naapod may inventory, which is makita nimo ang total equipment, and active o categories. So, naapod siya filter for the equipment. Also, makita na ang among statistic para mas dali siya maintindihan. So, dili na ako pahabaw ng explanation kada feature since my other members will explain it. So, mag-login naman ko as client. So, after mag-login as client, as you can see for our client page, na mga features na home, inventory, booking, and makitaan po nimo din hiyan imong profile. So, again, din ako dig deeper sa explanation din kay my other members will explain it.
Hi. I will be discussing the features of the owner side of our application. So as you can see, we need to enter our email address and password for us to access the admin. So here, let's enter our email address, password. So if you want to check if our password is correct, let's just click the button, the eye visibility on the right side. So save siya, okay, like this. And then if we're done, let's just click admin login. So here is makikita ang mga dashboard. Makita na to ang national equipment, pending, and monthly sales. So makita usap ang weekly sales ato ang mga items. And then recent pending books. And then we also have here the buttons of booking, customer, and inventory. So here's a booking. Makita na to kung unsa man ang ipang-add usapan ng mga item ang ipang rentahan sa ato ang mga customers like here kang Kian Lagrisa nagkuan siya rent siya a folding chair which is completed na siya. So here sa booking is the owner was able to accept like this, accept, appointment confirmed. The owner was also able to delete the booking, then mark complete if na ano na siya, na complete na siya like na ato na siya sa mga na atagiya. So sa nagrenta rather. Then here naman sa customer is makita sa owner kung sila sa kinsa ang mga nanggi rental. So makita usad ang total spent ng money, mga preferred items sa ilang gusto, and ato sila mag-view. So makita sa owner nga na pa siya wala na accept sa mga items nga iya pang add. So maato rin siya ma-confirm at sa booking nga button. Then like this. So na siya will be button booking. Here mga frequent. Then ang mga recent lang sa hindi add nag-book. So, and then the total customers. So, wala siya. Then, here naman sa inventory, the owner was able to add upload an image, delete, and also edit. So, for example, here, the owner wants to add some item. Let's put microphone, the description, makaangayan, so yung bag, ng mga email. Then, syempre, the categories. So, magpa na siya sa audio and visual. Duration is 12, price is 150. So, add item. So, the item added successfully. So, siya gawas na notification. Here. So, ano siya. So, if the owner wants to delete the item, kung dili na kung siya available, so, ito siya delete. Like that, then upload of image, like it's a gallery. Like, example, for example, animation, like that. So, the image uploaded successfully. So, na siya diri. So, I will just convert it into the most like this. So, na siya. Then, also here sa burger button, makita ang mga categories. So, also available sa glassware, manufacturing, then sa furniture and seating, sa glassware, furniture and seating. So, we have here the total equipment of 8, then 8 active and 6 categories. So, the owner was able also to log out if copying is so log out, and then on the top.
Good day, sir. So I'll be discussing or explaining some features in our client side. So as you can see here, naata sa atong homepage sa client side. So naa diri naka-display nakabutang ang mga categories niya. So each category is na siya mga item na available. So diri sa furniture and setting na siya glass chair pali pupat ka item. So once nga ganahan ka mo book og glass chair for example, i-click ka ni siya ang book. And then mo ni siya ang mugawas. Ang image din ang info sa item nga imong gi-book, then book now. Once i-click to nimo, makita nimo diri ang summary sa item. So naa diri glass share. Pwede ka mag-set og date and time ani og when nimo ganahan magpa-appoint. So mo na siya after daan na if okay na, i-confirm na imong booking. So confirm booking. And then notify ni siya nga appointment book successfully. So bali pag seto siya og appointment if ano sa nimo ganahan, so na diri sa atong notification bar, ang notification bell na diri nimo makit-an. So, i-click din nato. So, naka-notify na siya nga upcoming appointment tomorrow. So, muna siya, bali muna siya ang gamit sa atong notifications. And then next is, nga ta sa atong inventory feature. So, dito sa atong inventory feature is, nadali ang atong items ng mga available. So, napo dali each categories. Mga categories nato. Then, if want nimo nga, mas mapadali na lang, i-search na siya gamit na sa search bar. So, muna siya. And then, nga once i-click pa rin mo siya nga item, kung wari ka ring gown, mo na siya ang mugawas, i-proceed ka niya to sa pag-book na aning item. So, book now, then ang summary sa item, set og date and time, then confirm booking. Then, muna to siya. And then, the other features, booking and profile will be discussed by my other members.
So for the booking feature, we can see here the list of our booking histories. So here are the upcoming bookings. You will see the more recent mga gibook. So nagbook og glass chair and registration desk. So we can see here the date and time kung kano sa siya i-rent and pila ka adlaw and ang price. So we can also reschedule this. Pili lang tag date and time. So let's say for example, December 31, then time yan siya. So pwede na to ma-change. So it will be a pending schedule waiting for confirmation sa owner. So we have here the past na mga booking history side atong ma-view, and we can also view and we can also delete. So moving on sa profile na feature, we can see here the booking history, which redirected to sa atong bookings sa kanina, and also we have the notifications where makita na itong mga notifications sa itong mga appointments, upcoming appointments, mga confirmed appointments, and also mga cancelled appointments, and we can also delete notification. And here about, we can see here information about our application, our mission, what we offer, and contact details, and also social media platforms where you can follow our pages. And also you can edit our profile here. We can change our profile picture. Magpili lang taog photo nga itong i-change, and there na-update atong photo. And also we can change our name. Okay, change our name and also our email. You can also change your phone number and you can save the changes. And also here is the logout button. If you want to log out of the app, then you will be redirected to the login page. So that's all for the booking and the profile feature of the client side.